Welcome to another video with Inception Closer. My name is Shane, and today I want to share with you one way that you can start to make cashola every single day. So, how would you like to make $35,405 a year by spending under an hour doing just a little bit of work? Just a little bit. Really, if you get good at this, you can do it in 10 minutes. And I will show you exactly how I make $97 every single day. And this is something that you should be doing for yourself. Stop buying everybody's crap. Stop buying all the courses and stuff and all the books and everything. Like last year, I read 50 books, over 50 books. And it wasn't until I decided to build my own website, my own YouTube channel, that I could actually start generating a side hustle and income. So you could read and you can watch all the books that you want, but until you start implementing everything, you're not going to make a hill of beans. You're not. You're just going to be caught in that vortex of buying courses. So here's what I say. I say, build your own product, build your own website, sell your own product or service, and use that money to buy more courses. Oh, isn't that amazing? All right. So if you're curious to see how I do it, I will actually pull back the curtain. I'm going to show you for free exactly how I do it step by step. And I think you'll be fascinated by this. And I think hopefully it'll inspire you to go, holy cow, if Shane can do this, I can do it. That's my whole goal. Is when I created this whole channel, this whole my whole website and everything, I wanted people to be able to create their own products or services from scratch. So if you're an author, you're a speaker, you're a coach, maybe you don't know how to extract your life story and incorporate it into your brand and start generating some cash flow. Because can you imagine generating an extra $97 every single day just by 10 minutes worth of work? And I'm going to show you that. So all you have to do is just click on the link below. It is authorityattracts.com/print money, as in the license to print money. So if you go there, it's free. I show you exactly what I do to generate $97. And if you do it right, you can generate $97 every single day from one product, just one product out of thin air. And that is $35,405 a year off of one product. Now imagine you decided, hey, I'm not happy with just one $97 product, Shane. Well, why don't you just bump it up to $197 or make two products or make one that's $497 and another one that's $997? All of a sudden, you're replacing your income. All of a sudden, you can go to the beach. Anyways, go check it out. It's free for you. Won't be free forever, but it's free right now. So go check it out and I'll see you later. Bye for now.